Acting Chief Education Officer of the Ministry of Education, Thomas-Gayle, is pushing back at suggestions that the ministry's evaluation of the 2026 PEP results is misleading. She was speaking at the Region 7 School Leadership Conference. Kimberley Peddie reports.
In its assessment of the 2026 Grade 6 PEP exams, the Ministry of Education reported improvements in mathematics and language arts. The ministry's analysis also showed that 72% of students scored proficient of highly proficient in language arts, literacy 79% mastery, numeracy 75% mastery, while mathematics only missed by 1%. But opposition spokesman on education, Damion Crawford, has argued that the analysis is flawed, as he contends that given changes in the exam due to Hurricane Melissa, it's impractical to compare this year's result to last year's. We put the issue to the ministry's acting CEO, Thomas-Gayle.
The test, we stand to the data that is presented on the assessment, and it's up for investigation and scrutiny if like being, but I can assure you that our minister in due course will respond fulsome to our opposition if she so desires.
Mrs. Thomas-Gayle reassured the parents and the wider Jamaica that they have no need to fear.
I will tell our parents and I will tell all of Jamaica, please allow the primary exit profile exam, which is built on the national standards curriculum, to do what is intended. Once we see that the test doing what it is intended, we will see a Jamaica group of students leaving our system from primary and high school more resilient, more 21st century, more critical thinkers. That's what the national standards curriculum is set out to achieve, develop critical thinkers.
In the meantime, the acting CEO tasked the principals in Region 7 at the primary level to work on improving the literacy and numeracy levels to at least 90%. This as children are still leaving primary school without the ability to read. As for the high school principals, they were tasked with ensuring that the students leave with at least 5 CXC subjects. On the issue of special needs, she assured students will get the help that they require.
So our special education students, we want to look at our inclusive spaces, we want to look on the programs that are offered to them and the support of the ministry as we give them the additional support that they need to carry out their duties.
Region 7 caters to schools within Clarendon. According to the Regional Director, Barrington Richardson, there are 109 public schools in the region. He told TVJ News that for the PEP results this year, they are just a few points below the national average. Kimberley Peddie, TVJ News.